Results out. Education Minister reports improvement in grades.
Reading delays for high schoolers. Principals call for urgent intervention.
And the Jamaicans weigh in on Portmore becoming the island's 15th parish. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Kalisha. Now, United Oil and Gas has released an updated technical presentation highlighting the exploration potential of its oil drilling license. I'll give you the details later on in the financial week.
And Spencer Darlington is here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you very much, Gio. Well, the J3As has broken its silence following the confirmation that the three Jamaican athletes have switched allegiance to Turkey. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking what types of incentives could effectively boost performance and participation in track and field.
And you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.